Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Skim Sam on Monday, danger looks just outside Mahonga house as a suspicious cars pulls up. Lehasa and Greg's authorities tested when inmate challenges status quo. On Tuesday, Mahlat's good intentions lead him to a life-threatening situation. A man is desperate to search for his wife proves futile. Lehasa chooses to prioritize his morals and power. And Wednesday, Maruti throws himself into a dangerous situation that Austin challenges Lhasa to self-introspect. On Thursday, a hostage situation unfolds at Mahonga House. Lhasa attempts to make amends for past mistake. On Friday, Baba Ile links Leeto's friend to a house-breaking incident. Lhasa apologizes to Nkosi, but Kwezikazi can sue through his trick. Thank you guys for watching.